Raindrops falling on my window tonight. The streets are shining in the city lights. Every drop reminds me where I've been, of broken dreams and places in between. Walking slowly through the pouring rain, trying to wash away the hurt and pain. But deep inside a little spark remains, a quiet hope that keeps me strong again. And when the clouds are hanging low, I tell my heart not to let go. It's a rainy day, but I'll be okay. Every storm will slowly fade away. Through the darkest sky I'll find my way. I'm still standing on this rainy day. It's a rainy day, but I still believe there's a better tomorrow waiting for me. After every storm, the sun will stay shining brighter than this rainy day. The wind is singing like a melody, a gentle reminder of what I can be. The world keeps turning, time moves on, and every night will lead to dawn. I lift my head and face the rain, learning how to dance through every pain. The clouds may hide the light above, but they can never stop my love. One day the blue will fill the sky. One day these tears will all run dry. Until that moment I will stay, holding on through this rainy day. It's a rainy day, but I'll be okay. Every storm will slowly fade away. Through the darkest sky I'll find my way. I'm still standing on this rainy day. It's a rainy day. It's a rainy day, but the sun is on its way. It's a rainy day, and I'll be okay.